You're gonna love the 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This cleverly crafted Trailblazer delivers convenience, comfort, and style in a fresh, modern package. Fold flat seats let you make the most of this small SUV's surprisingly spacious interior. And you'll enjoy the journey more than ever before thanks to connected touchscreen infotainment and driver assist safety tech. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, electronic stability control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel up for whatever the road has in store in this well-designed Trailblazer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.